Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see how it looks. The drawing is here and the name is double flanged housing. We start by creating this volume, this one, by using this dimension 155.5 for a circle placed here with a diameter of 200. Let's do this. Standard millimeters IPT, new plane, new sketch. I select this sketch, XZ with X to the right. I project the axis Z. I make it center line and I place here a circle with a diameter of 200. The distance between the axis and the circle is 155.5, as I said, and it is placed on the same horizontal with a center point. Finish sketch, revolve on 180 degrees to have this half of a torus. Okay, now we have to close these ends by using this radius, and we'll make an extrusion of 200. Let's do this. Plane XY for a new sketch, F7. We draw a circle center here with a radius 155.5. Then a line, a horizontal line. I have to place it somewhere, but horizontal, coincident with the center point, and trim a half of it. Fully constrained sketch, extrude, symmetrical, 200. Then we apply shell to obtain this shell. The distance, the thickness, is the difference between these two dimensions, 255.5, 243.5. Okay, shell. We eliminate this end and we place here the dimension 255.5 minus 243.5 divided by 2. Okay. Next is this cylinder with dimensions 174 at 305. We use this plane for a new plane at 305. Sketch, circle 174, diameter, finish sketch, extrude to the part. Okay. Next, you see here some protrusions with the dimension of 194 on a thickness of 22 and a width of 45. This is the face, rectangle, (45) tab 194 with this midpoint on the same horizontal with the center point and this point on the same vertical with the center point. Then extrude this the other direction, join 22. Okay. Then the hole, the big hole, 150. Hole, this face, this center, 150. 2 to this plane. We know it is 305. Yes, but I prefer not to add dimensions. Next is the flange. The flange has this contour with dimensions radius 167.5 and radius 65 here. The thickness is 28. We don't forget the holes. The holes are 176. Okay. The plane is this one, F7, but I have to project this arc and this arc. F7, we don't see better, but we know what we have to do here. A circle with the radius of 167.5, another circle equal and the right an arc with a radius of 65. I cannot place this. Let me place somewhere, and now I can add that dimension of 65. Tangent to both circles. Then I draw a line between these two centers to apply mirror. Mirror of this arc about this line. Apply, done. This must be construction, and we trim a lot. Everything and remains this. Oh, where are the holes? F7, the two circles with a diameter of 176. This is equal to the other. Okay, now extrude this at with join other direction, thickness of 28. Okay, now you see what happened here. Although I see here something not good, this must be here, and I suppose the thickness of the shell is wrong. Let's go here, double click. Oh, I know, we don't have to place here divided by 2 because the dimensions are radii, not diameters. Okay, now you see this is aligned with the holes. Once again, the thickness of this wall is this radius minus this radius, but not divided by 2 because they are radii, not diameters. We use this parametric software and we can go back anywhere in the past. Good. Next is this rib. This is a rib, yes. We can see it here. Dimensions are 22, 90 degrees and 88. The plane for the new sketch is XY. F7. We draw a rectangle. We place the midpoint of the base over the center point mid. Then 2 lines. They must be with the endpoints on the same horizontal. We trim these lines, we apply 90 degrees equal for the two sloped lines. Now they are symmetrical. 22 is this dimension and 88 on vertical. Finish sketch, extrude. We cannot extrude simultaneously to both sides, so I apply to this face plus the same sketch to this face. You see? Okay. Now we have to apply this channel. You can see it right here. This channel. Dimensions are radius 106, radius 100, 0.5, and the depth is here, 3 millimeters. Don't forget radius 96 for this external contour. Good. We turn the part and we draw two circles. Radius is 106.5. External. Here another circle equal to the other one. An arc between these two. I catch a tangent, at least one tangent, this one, and I place the other tangency to the other circle. Radius 96. Line between these 2 points and mirror of this arc about this axis. The axis is construction. Trim this and I don't lose the dimension because I apply only one cut of the circle, not for instance this one, not there but here. This one means that I lose this dimension. No, I don't, because it keeps this. If you place two cuts, two different cuts, you lose the dimension. Then I apply offset to the interior, and now I apply dimensions, radii. I want not to make a mistake. 106.5 minus 100.5. This must mean 6. It is not 6. Let me see, where is 106.5? You see, I make a lot of mistakes all the time. This is the age, my friends. 106.5 minus 100.5. now it's okay. Finish, extrude in this band with cut of 3. Okay. Now the holes. You see 4 holes on the left, 4 holes on the right. The diameter is 256. Let's start. The diameter of the hole of the holes is 22. 8 holes of 22. I select this face, I turn it in a normal position with X to the right, F7, I draw a line, my friends, vertical line, with dimension of 256 divided by 2. You see? Fully constrained sketch. Then I apply hole of this face and this center, the point. 22 is the diameter and the hole is through. Okay. Now I apply circular pattern of this last entity or feature about this axis, but not 6, 4 times and 180 degrees the other direction. Four, 130 is this one. No, the other direction. This is the solution, rotation axis. Okay. Now we mirror these two last feature about the plane YZ. Okay. All the holes are in position. Now if you take a look here, you see radius 35 for this fillet and radius 6 for all the other. Let's apply this. This is 303 35 plus radius 6 in many places. This is one place, this is another, also here, here, a lot of fillets are here. Okay. Now I suppose I finished the part. Let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. Oh, it is just the same. If you don't see well, you have to increase the font. You see? Oh, it is not the same. We keep the last new value. This is an acceptable error. Okay, we go to material, steel carbon. We apply the general color as red. We hide the edges and we select the default lights. This is the part. Now take a look at the comparison. Let me apply also selecting faces to be machined with aspect of steel polished. You see, once again, no difference. If you want, I can apply other view and we see the difference. No difference. Good. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.